In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Once the website loads, click the login button at the top right corner and sign in to your account. After logging in, open the settings section from the left sidebar near the bottom of the dashboard. Inside the settings page, stay on the user details or profile section where you can manage your account information. Now locate your current email address, delete the old email and enter your new email address. Once you finish, click Update Settings to save the changes. Gumroad may ask you to enter your current password to confirm the update for security purposes. After that, Gumroad will send a verification email to your new email address. Open your inbox, find the email and click the verification link to confirm the new address. Once verified, your Gumroad account will now be connected to the new email address. Make sure the new email is active and accessible because it will be used for account notifications, login access, and important updates. If you originally signed up using Google or another connected login provider, you may also need to update your linked account settings separately. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.